I'm so out of my way, I can see for miles and miles. You don't know what it's doing to me, so I ain't been around in a while. I found a way, I found a way, I found a way back to you. I found a way back to you.
S'mores and people playing with fire, you know? Just your average night out.
My wife is from Korea and Japan, so she's editing in Korean while you're
nice.
videotaping.
That's awesome.
Very cool. It's a beautiful night tonight.
Oh, yeah.
There's supposed to be a meteor shower too.
There was a couple that got engaged on that little island up there. They had like 100 little lights in mason jars, and he proposed. Their first date was 5 years ago on the little island.
Nice.
That's awesome. She said yes.
Perfect. What's your name? I'm Zach.
I'm Tony.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
My wife, Ine.
Ine? Nice to meet you.
What's your name? Dalton. Tony.
Derek?
Derek. Nice to meet you. Where
Nice
you
to
guys
meet you
from?
as well. From the area.
Oh, yeah, we live over off 81st and Black.
Oh, nice. There was a huge fireworks show over by you.
Oh, I heard something.
I heard something go off.
I was, yeah.
Is it at the park there or something? The
I have no idea.
Car Park in Lenexa or something?
I was driving down 435 and all of a sudden saw a bunch of fireworks going off and was like, okay, well I guess I have time to go over there and try and discover what's going on, and got off on Blackman and in the middle of the little business park area, they're just lighting off fireworks. What's up, John?
Found the puppy.
Dalton just finished his set. I'm sure he'll be doing
I can do it again.
You just put kerosene in those or something? Or?
Right now, yeah, I just got lighter fluid. A lot of times though, I like to get like lantern oil, like more of like a white fuel. But it's hard to find that stuff. You don't go to, like, I know Walmart sells it, but I'm not anywhere near Walmart usually when I get it. But yeah, usually I like to burn that. It burns a little longer too, I think.
That's pretty cool with the music you have.
You like the music?
How long you been doing that?
5 years now.
Cool.
On and off. I used to do it a lot more, but yeah, I got busy with life really. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys just enjoying the weather out here?
Yeah, we had some dinner. You guys like Mexican food?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever tried that little, you know where the Mexican grocery store is? 75th and
Yeah.
yeah, you've eaten in there?
Fronteras?
On it? No?
Meat
Was it
market.
Fronteras?
There's a restaurant, Mexican restaurant there. It's called Fronteras.
Inside?
Yeah.
Inside the little...
The little taco place inside the
Yeah.
grocery store?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are phenomenal.
Yeah.
I think they have discount tacos on Tuesday as well.
Oh.
Taco Tuesday.
Soft shell tacos,
Yeah, they're phenomenal.
beans, jalapenos. That's where we ate. It was good.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I need to go there again.
There's one on like 135th, Santa Fe, and
Same company?
I don't know. It's a Mexican
Yeah, they
grocery
have
store.
a store and then a
And then,
restaurant inside.
Mexican market. This is really good. Fronteras is good too. It's right there.
And
I think we're
Fronteras
talking.
is
It's-
further
It's
south.
It's like 79th and Columbia.
Right.
Again,
And then
yeah.
across the street is Margaritas or something?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, we like Fronteras too. That's the one that you like best. chips and salsa.
Very thin chips.
Yeah.
Are there any good Korean places around
Oh,
here?
we
yeah.
like the soban.
Soban is by the Kia car dealership there on Shawnee Mission Parkway.
Okay.
Before you get to
yeah.
Metcalf, there's the Kia dealership, and then across the street, east of the grade school
Pretty sure I know
there,
what you're talking about.
is a Soban, S-O-B-A-N, Soban Korean.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really good.
I'll have to check that out.
Yeah, they've been there for about 20 years. A long time.
15?
Lady and her daughter help cook. And, yeah, it's good, authentic Korean
Nice. Okay.
food. Spicy. Got kimchi, bibimbap.
All the good stuff.
You can ask for barley instead of white rice. If you want.
Oh, nice.
That's cool. I got a buddy Salvadorian. He invites me over to like his family dinners and stuff. Oh my gosh, they just have like trays of like such good Salvadorian Mexican food. It's so good. Spicy. Don't know if I can handle it. I never know what I'm getting myself into, I guess I should say, but it's always great. Fantastic.
Well, that would pick it up.
Enough memory because it's dark.
Oh, wow.
It's quite
You guys ever been able to travel outside the U.S.?
Yeah, I actually just came back from Italy. Went for 2 weeks, stayed in Rome for 5 days, then went up to Florence and Venice.
Backpacking or just?
I went for 5 days in Rome by myself, and then I met my parents. They flew into Rome, and then we took the rest of the travel by train. Stayed in Airbnbs, hotels, some places. It was good. It was an awesome trip.
The Airbnb was pretty
I
amazing.
love Airbnb. That's like that's really all I rent anymore whenever I go out of town.
Anywhere. It's
Yeah.
Airbnb.
It's I don't know, it's a
Meet a
little
lot
bit
of people
nicer.
that way.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
amazing.
Absolutely. And plus you have like a full kitchen and it's like somebody's
Yeah.
home anyways, so
So the
it feels
hospitality
cozy.
is a little
Yeah.
more sometimes.
You don't really feel like you're traveling as much.
That's the most freelance way to travel. Let's go country to country and Airbnb everywhere you go.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Why not? One day I'll go back.
Well, we met in Japan, and I never thought I would be working in Japan, but I happened to be working there.
What were you doing over there?
I do home remodeling here, and then
Yeah.
a friend from high school, I met her uncle, and he's Japanese, and
Yeah.
we met here in town. And my daughter lives in China, and I thought, well, I'm just going to stop in Japan
Yeah.
and tour a little bit, which I generally don't. I like to go someplace with having something in mind, but I was
Right.
by myself. I thought, well, I'll just see what Japan is about.
Yeah.
And this friend, he's scratching his head, why is Tony really coming to Japan? And he literally was praying for God to send somebody to fix this house of his in Japan. And I do home remodeling here, and he's like, he's coming to Japan. I'm going to come up from Australia to meet him. And then I ended up working. I spent about a year out of 1 year out of the last 4 I was there.
That's awesome.
So it's like a month at a time. And then when I met her, I decided long distance relationships are difficult. I'm going to stay around as long as I can. And I was able to stay for like 6 months.
Yeah.
Work on this house, and then her dad had a ministry there in Japan.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah.
So and I got the bug for traveling by using frequent flyer miles, credit card points.
Yep. Yep. I love to travel. I'm gonna have to take some more international travels. I've gone on service trips to Haiti and the Dominican Republic twice.
I went to Haiti after the earthquake about 5 years ago.
Yeah. It's powerful going down there.
Yeah.
You don't get it that
It was a little different going on an actual like vacation to Rome than going down there.
Right.
And I like both experiences. I'm gonna have to do more of both. I'll probably end up switching back and forth every year. But I just love to travel. Go to